All right, let's get this morning sweating. You see what the title is? Early morning boxing workout, man. This is what it is, right? So we're going to get the calories burnt. We're going to work together. You don't have to be no professional. If you don't want to hit a bag, you can do the same exact thing with the air. You can just shadow box with the air, okay? I'm using the bag, but I'm not going to be going hard. I'm doing light work. The rounds are going to be 3 minutes in length, and we get 1 minute of active recovery. You're going to need to grab yourself some dumbbells. I'm using light dumbbells, 6 pounds, all right? So every minute, we're gonna take the gloves off and we're gonna do something. So you're basically gonna be doing about 2 minutes and 30 seconds of boxing because it's gonna take time to take the gloves off, take time to put the gloves on, all right? So let's get started with some light work. Make sure you have your water and let's go, man. Great workout this morning. Let's sweat. That's what we gonna do. We gonna sweat. All right, remember, light work. We're not going hard, not going heavy. We're going to start off with jab, cross first. Just take your time. We're going right into it. Mix them up the way you want to mix them up. You don't have to follow my flow, or my speed. When you're throwing your cross punch, make sure you turn your hips, you pivot your foot, okay? Practice on that reach, extend out. Don't make a pattern, just move. Mix it up. All right, give me a double jab with a cross. Give me a double jab, cross jab. Double jab, cross jab. "23 seconds. All right, time. Get those gloves off. Grab your dumbbells. Front raises to an arm curl. Front raise, arm curl. Here we go. Lift your chest up, keep your stomach tight. Suck it in as much as you can. Nice. Keep on going. Give me those reps. Soften your knees. Don't slouch. Lift your chest up. Breathe. And time, all right? Let's get those gloves on. It should take you less than 30 seconds to put your gloves on. You don't have to rush, but it should take you less than 30. We're gonna work on your jab, cross, hook, punch. Jab, cross, hook. And I want you to come in on that hook. Work your way inwards, okay? Because remember, the hook is close quarters. I'm giving that leading hook. You might see me doing little taps to the bag. That's just to keep the bag in control. Little taps. So feel free to do that as well. Extend. Reach. Use your length. Reach out. Good. Give me a jab, cross, hook, hook. That's going to be the leading hook, followed by the rear hook. Oh yeah. 15 seconds. Woo. Time. All right, gloves off. Side raises. Going up to the front to a high pull. Here we go. Working those shoulders, but keep the stomach tight. Stop this back from rocking. And I use it as a little support to the back. Something to stand straight up on. Let's go. I know they're burning, but push through it though. Don't stop. That's what we're doing. Garage workout, baby. Come on. Time. Woo. All right. Man, my nose is getting runny now. Whew. Let's get those gloves on. We're gonna work extra light. All right? Oh man, something got started on my finger. If you already have your gloves on now, just start punching lightly, consistent punches, continuous punches, all right? Just keep on punching. Just here. Keep your stomach tight. Relax the body, relax the shoulders. Work left and right. Just move. Let that torso do some work. So don't be here stiff. Don't be stiff. Move everything. Everything. Bounce through the legs. So we're close right now. When I say reach, you're gonna go back a little further. All right? You're going to reach, extend those arms, reach. So see, now I'm reaching. That's it. Breathe. Let's go. Let's go. Let it burn. Come on, baby. Pop, pop. Boom, boom. Reach. Reach. Get back in. Now I'm going to go right here. Nice and easy. Pop, pop. Keep it going. We're doing this whole thing here consistent. We're not going to stop punching. I want you to dig deeper. I need for you to work. Let's go. Hit. 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 Reach. Reach. Pop. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Let's go. Punch it. Beat his ass. Punch it. Come on. Hit. Getting closer. Oh, yeah. The heart rate should be up. Work. Work. Relax the shoulders. Let the hips do some of the work. Let's go. Let's go. Last round coming up. When I say reach, reach and go a little harder. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Reach. Come on. Breathe, baby. Lay them up. Load them up. Reach. Come on. 8 seconds. Oh, yeah. Stomach tighter. Relax the shoulders. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Gloves off. Grab those dumbbells. Tricep kickbacks. Okay. Bend it forward. Going to the back of those arms. Let's go. I'm going to let my head rest in the bag. When I come up, I'm not coming up here. I want you to come right here, okay? Focus in the back of those arms. Keep your stomach tight. Breathe in and out. You got this. Oh, yeah. Come on. 10 seconds. Feel the fire in the back of the arms. Come on. Give me the work. 3 seconds. 2. And time. Oh, yeah. One more round, baby. I am sweating. I like it. That's why I got my hoodie on. So I can sweat. All right. So let's finish off with a few more things. We're going to do bobbing and weaving, slip and slide, okay? So bobbing and weaving, pretend it's a rope. You're going under the rope, back under the rope, okay? Then jab, cross. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. Work your way under and back under. And then load yourself up. Just kind of work it. Breathe. Take your time. You don't have to go too hard. Let the legs do the work. Go under the rope and back under the rope. Load them up. Throw your punch. Don't look down. Keep your eyes up. Look up. There it is. Come on, feel the legs working. Keep the stomach tight. Now I'm gonna mix it. Going under, hook, jab, cross. Hook, hook. All right, slip and slide. We're gonna slip this way, lift the shoulders up, lower back up into a punch, okay? So slip. I have my left leg forward. If you're going with your right leg forward, you're gonna slip this way and then load up. Here, bam. You could drop your hands or keep your hands up. It's up to you. I normally keep my hands down when I do this one. Just how I work. It works good for me. Find what works good for you. Let's switch and do the same thing on the opposite side, okay? Notice when I drop, I could do this and cover up. Oh yeah, that's it. Workout is done. Beautiful. Under 20 minutes. Heart rate is through the roof. I'm gonna go and do another 20 minutes on the spin bike and keep myself feeling lean. So when I'm riding this machine, I feel stronger, I feel more awake, I feel more vibrant, okay? I know that some of you is not really into the workout stuff, but I'm telling y'all, let this thing become a part of your life. Let this become your passion, because this right here is your temple. When the Creator made you, the Creator didn't make you for you to be sloppy. The Creator made you for you to take great care of your health. And that's pretty much, let me fix this. That's what it boils down to. Don't neglect your health. You have only one body, not 6, not 16, not 60. You have one body. So when you start taking advantage of the things you have around you, you're training, you're working, you don't have to be a professional to exercise, as long as you learn the mechanics and don't hurt your body. All right, this is Donovan Green. Leave a comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm out of here. Peace.